One that's really... What do you like to do? What's your hobbies?
Soccer,
Soccer?
hiking, rock climbing, fishing.
You could do soccer.
Okay.
Okay, so let's say you have your ball. And you have 3 guys coming in for the kick, right? You have Neymar, you have Ronaldo, and you have... Who else?
Ben.
Beckham. Yeah, so you have Beckham right there running in. You have Neymar and the other guy.
Sure.
Each of them is coming in with a velocity and a whatever. They're running in. And then Beckham, he's like the professional soccer player.
Mm-hmm.
He's like the stud. He's 180 pounds, all muscle. Just he can kick a ball a couple football fields by. Neymar is good with his feet, but he can't kick it that far, maybe. I don't know. And then him, he's just normal, just kicks it. So the force vector that he's going to kick is going to be like that, and like that.
Gotcha. Okay.
So he kicks it with that much, he kicks it with that much, and he kicks it, Neymar kicks it with that much. The net force is when you add up all of these forces into the components
Okay.
into a single force, summing up the directions and the magnitudes.
Gotcha. Okay, that makes sense.
So which way will the ball be going?
Well, it should be going more down like what you kind of draw.
Will it go...
Because Beckham kicked harder,
Yeah.
so we more.
So would it be going more like... So this is the resultant force. Let's say that's... We did the math and that's the resultant force.
Okay.
Is the ball going to be going this way, that way, or that way? A, B, or C?
Should go more C because, well, no, it should go B because the top one and the middle one are still kind of trying to pull it up more.
There you go. Yeah. B, the force, the resultant force, it tells you where the object's going to be going. Like a slingshot. If you have a slingshot, you have 2 forces pointing that way and that way,
Mm-hmm.
with the ball in the middle. And then when you let go, the resultant force, it's acting that way. If you do the math, add up the magnitudes and directions, that way. If you have a rubber band on this side that's a lot weaker than the other one, it's going to be kind of kittywonkus. It's going to start going to the left a little bit. The resultant force is going to tell you where it's going to shoot.
Gotcha. Okay. So going back to the question, is the statement an object always moves in the direction the net force acting on it? So that would be true.
Yeah.